Damn, baby, I just don't understand what we went wrong. I gave you my heart, I gave you my soul, I gave you.
As a matter of fact, I was the one who said I loved you first. It was about 8 years ago. Don't act like you don't know. We were sitting at home in your mama's living room, 'cause you couldn't be alone. See, your mama knew I was something else. She knew how I felt. Back then we were in school, and that's your favorite excuse. See, growing up I was a fool, and I can't lie, I'm missing you. Listen and don't trip. Think I need a bottle with a genie in it. Here's my wish list. I will create a heart-changing love. I'll take yours and fill it up. But I don't need a lot of wishes, 'cause I'll be okay if I get one. If I had one wish, we would be best friends. Love will never end, it would just begin. If I had one wish, you would be my boo. Promise to love you, trust me, I trust you. If I had one wish, we would run away, make love all day, have us a baby. If I had one wish, I'd make you my whole life, can you be my wife, make it right this time. If I had one wish, 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 one wish. Now tell me, is this the only way I can get you right back in? If so, then searching I'll go. Then I can have you for sure. Then you'll be loving me, holding me, kissing me. So girl, don't tell me what I'm feeling is make-believe. I swear if I lose a second chance with you, I wouldn't know what to do. I'll probably check myself into some kind of clinic. I couldn't be alone, because without you I'm sick. Here's my wish list. I will create a heart-changing love. I'll take yours